Guys, my name is Aftab. Today we will learn catalog flat data, right? So firstly, know about what is flat data, right? Actually, on catalog pages from here, right? On catalog pages, data comes in database, right? Not comes any specific table. If you enable catalog flat data, so catalog flat data, all of on catalog pages, right? Name, price, and values. The most of see on catalog pages rendering a one table inside a one table and directly pick from data on database on a one single table on a catalog page, right? So now it's off and go to admin and database. This is database. You see in catalog tables. No one here catalog flat data, right? Here is catalog and not flat table. No one here is flat table, right? Not flat table right now. Only database flat tables, but not catalog right now, right? So this is catalog data comes from EAB system follow, right? Entity attribute system, right? Data comes from many tables from catalog, right? Catalog data comes from here, right? And now is on to here. Go to oops. Here is go to store and configuration, right? And here is catalog and go to front end, and this is allow catalog flat data and product catalog data. If you allow here, your category and product page is very fast because your data comes from single table. Most of attributes on catalog pages and attribute pages, sorry, category pages, right? Enabling yes, right? Use flat catalog. After enabling this, we need indexing, right? So go to here and use PHP win Magento indexer, right? Reindex. Oops, reindex. This is command for indexing, right? So now is index all store because create one flat table corresponding to catalog and second for product pages, right? So after creating two tables, your category and product page is very fast, right? Let's see. Only few seconds are remaining because catalog and product tables already indexed, right? This is almost done, right? This is done. Okay, few more seconds are remaining. So this is done because we are has been resolved successfully, right? And again command for PHP win Magento forecast page, right? Oops, my bad. Bring capital letter, not provide capital letter, only small, right? So this is done. So here is also saved, right? And see from here, save and go to database, right? And search catalog flat, flat. You see, this is one table for catalog flat store one, right? Because this is comes by on your flat table, right? You see your records, all of things, your layout, your name, your everything. You get name right from catalog, right? And you see same thing on by product. Once more also flat, yeah, this one catalog product flat, right? This is also comes from your product, right? So after enabling your flat category and your catalog product, now you see your result is comes via flat tables on category pages and product pages. Your result comes it's very fast. You can refresh. Now it comes very fast. You go to product page, your product page is also very fast, comes to very fast, right? You see here, you see your result. You can refresh once again. Now it comes because after enabling your catalog product data and catalog category data is your website performance is very fast because this is data comes via catalog flat table and category table. But one more important things, after adding any product or add or delete every entry in catalog or category or project, you need indexing is must because or at indexing time on this one, your product data inserting or deleting in catalog flat tables from this table and this table after indexing, right? So if you delete and enter entry, this is entry comes on your more EAB attribute values from here in tables, these tables, right? On product data on these tables, right? So after enabling catalog flat data or product data, you need indexing is must. So this is very good example for performance on your website. So this is a way to how to enable your category flat data or product flat data. So this is a speed performance way. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any problem about enabling flat data on category and product, please comments me. I definitely review as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.